gonna solve a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, because I already have it for 2 days ago. So today, let's try to solve it. I know it's gonna take like a couple of minutes or hours. So today, I'm gonna try to solve it. But if I can't, then I'll cook it up. So now, I'll just solve this. Oh, look, guys. Oh, look. Yeah. And here's the airport. Oh yeah. Look. I'm gonna never solve one because might be dead. Yeah. So what am I gonna solve this one? Is kinda wet. Yeah. So oh shit. I'm supposed to get them books. So guys, if you want some more Rubik's Cubes video, like and subscribe. For more Rubik's like things, Rubik's solver. So now I'll do this. If you cannot see, I'm sorry. Look, oh my god, that's enough, bro. Cause that's a bad idea, right? So I just broke it instead. Yeah. What timer right? Yeah. Guys, this is so hard. Guys, do not scramble your cube and then fix it, because that's a bad idea for you. Because I did it and I think that was really good, but now I'm stuck with this. Yeah. So now, only because that doesn't mean that I'm from China. Or what am I talking about right now? No, okay. What am I talking about? So now, boom. Holy, wait. That's kind of good. I'm not lying. So guys, if you want to see me scramble this up and fix it again, then comment and what did I do? So if you did type something in this video, then I will do the top comment says. Like I'm not joking around. So now guys, you better hit that comment button. So I'll be there. So you know, yeah. So, yeah, so guys. Whoa, I forgot. Oh yeah. This holy macaroni. Holy macaroni. Guys, look. And yeah, I know. But it's so hard to make it, man. Like, guys, this is so hard. I'm joking. Like, wait. Oh, no. Just stay the white one. Let's scramble this up or nah. No. And now I'm gonna scramble this up, and even though I don't know what I'm doing anymore. But guys, this gonna take like 2 weeks until I make this one. So yeah, crazy.